Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. How to reset GE dishwasher. If you want to reset your GE dishwasher, then you have two options for that. The first option is to begin resetting the dishwasher. Hold the start button for 5 seconds until its button lights up. Once again, hold the select cycle and start button for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the touchpad should light up to indicate it is reset. The second option, to force reset a GE dishwasher. First, unplug the dishwasher from the power source or turn off the circuit breaker. Wait about 1 minute. Plug it back in or turn the circuit breaker back on. Press the start/reset button for about 3 seconds. The dishwasher should reset. So these are the options you can try to reset your GE dishwasher. Here you will see this is the dishwasher, and here you will see the start button. This is the start button on your GE dishwasher. So try the reset options. After you will need to see your problem is fixed or not. If you find your problem is fixed, then it is good for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.